Exercise your visual analysis and sentence building skills.
I'm so glad that you could join us for the art walk. The paintings are all in place, but the descriptions have gotten scrambled. You will need to put them in order to learn more about the paintings. Let's do the first one together. Click the Go button to see the first picture. In the picture, I see an unhappy-looking skunk sitting at a table with a salad. The first part of the description is already here, in the top box. It says, "The glum blank." The buttons below show how the sentence might continue. Read each option and look for the one that makes sense, uses correct grammar, and matches the picture. The word glum means unhappy. One of the skunks looks glum, so the next word in the sentence must be skunk. Click on skunk to fill in the blank. Here is the next set of options. Again, look for the one that makes sense, uses correct grammar, and matches the picture. The picture shows only one glum skunk, and that skunk has a salad. So the last part of the sentence is, has a salad. Click it to fill in the blank. The glum skunk has a salad. Beautiful. Now, try some on your own.